You could spend up to 5 years of your life in the kitchen. 5 years! So you want to show it some love. But all this smoke doesn't belong in my kitchen. Did you know cooking fumes can make your air up to 100 times more toxic than the air outside? That's why I got Hauslane. Premium kitchen range hoods that look great in any space, keep my air safe, and make it easy to cook like a pro. All at a fraction of the cost. Whether I'm poaching, browning, frying, charring, steaming, sauteing, or shaking things up, my Hauslane's got my back. Stovetop cooking releases toxic chemicals and carcinogens into your home's air. But no need to worry. All you need is better ventilation. My Hauslane comes with a professional-grade motor that's designed to inhale all those toxic fumes. Its state-of-the-art filters trap grease and deodorize old cooking smells, so my air doesn't smell like last week's burnt succotash. Don't worry, nailed it this week. Plus, Hauslane keeps my kitchen cabinets from becoming a grease-stained fire hazard. Because those mystery stains I used to have weren't just unsightly. They're actually flammable. And that's not lit. Not the way you want it. With variable speed settings, no matter the conditions, you can cook smarter and save energy. My Hauslane range hood is the perfect garnish for my kitchen. So I can focus on cooking for my family, friends, dare I say, fans. So click the link to cook with confidence and love your space with Hauslane.